Gatagati ka Arutwo makiria ma 95,000 aria maikitie ihoya ria uteithio mutaratara-ini wa Elimu Scholarship uria utwarithagio na mbere ni thirikari unyitaniri na gikundi kia Jomo Kenyatta Foundation 14,000 nio maregwatĩire mweke ucio. Kuringana na Minista wa Githomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU hindi ya kuruguria mubango ucio ni ati mutaratara uyu urakuruhanagia arutwo aria mekite wega kigeranio-ini gia KCPE mwaka muhituku na magakorwo maumite micii itehotete.
During the financial year 2024, the government will spend approximately 4.5 billion to support a total of 43,000 needy and vulnerable learners across the 47 counties.
Na niguo gukinyaniria mubango uyu uthuthuria mukinyaniru kuri arutwo ni urakorirwo gitabanio niguo gutigirira aria marabataraga uteithio cio nio magunika naguo.
Care was taken to ensure not just the regional balancing, as you can see by looking through the room, but also affirmative action and special consideration to include persons living with disabilities.
Gukinyiria riu mubango wa Elimu Scholarship uteithiriirie arutwo 52,000 kuma riria wambiriirie mwaka wa 2019. Gikundi kia mbere kiria kiambiriirie mubango uyu gigitiriha mathomo ma kirathi gia form 4 mwaka muhituku.
Of all the 9,000 scholarly of this, 42%, which is 3,780 of them, qualified for university education after attaining a mean grade of C+ and above.
Hamwe noguo Machogu augite no meguthie na mbere kunyitirira arutwo aria matakoretwo na mweke wa guthoma kumana na wagi wa bithi, agitariria arutwo aria mararikirie kwigwatira grade ya A undu mwe na grade ya A- rungu rwa mubango uyu mekuingirio mutaratara-ini wa Equity program mbere ya maingirite thukuru cia university.
From next month they will be earning 40,000 shillings a month as their stipend. That is to help them prepare to transition to the university.
Ona kuri uguo Machogu ni akomithitie giko kia arutwo hamwe na aciari thukuru-ini wa St Gabriel Isongo kia kuhamurithia murutani munene, akiuga uthuthuria ni urathie na mbere na aria mekunyitikana na mahitia ni mekuerwo makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
When I released the KCSE exam, PS, I did direct that we had 48,000 E's. That our sub-account directors, our TSC directors, plus our quality assurance people were to conduct an investigation and give us a report.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.